Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying battery health so you know current capacity and whether to adjust expectations. Once done, enable optimized battery charging to slow chemical aging. Turn on low power mode to cut background activity immediately. Make sure to lower screen brightness and disable background App Refresh Plus location access for apps you rarely use. These first steps reduce power draw right away and set the iPhone 15 into a conservation posture, so later tweaks compound their benefits. Once the basics are set, update iOS to gain the newest power optimizations and bug fixes. Then change mail and other fetch settings to manual or every 30 minutes. This lowers constant radio use. Make sure to prune push notifications so your phone isn't waking the screen incessantly, and activate focus modes during work or sleep hours to batch notifications. These steps reduce CPU wake-ups and radio usage, which helps preserve battery cycles and extends usable capacity over months. Finish by changing charging habits. Avoid frequent 0 to 100 cycles and keep daily charge between about 20% and 80% to reduce wear. Use Apple-certified cables and avoid unnecessary fast charging because heat accelerates capacity loss. Unplug once you reach your target. If you still see rapid drain, check battery health and analytics, reset settings if anomalies persist, and then seek Apple service. This final troubleshooting tip, inspect health first, lets you decide.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.